Did you know a doctor lost everything for refusing to inject Botox into a teenager's face? Dr. Sarah Chen worked at Beverly Hills' most exclusive dermatology clinic, where wealthy clients paid thousands for cosmetic procedures. But when a 19-year-old girl walked in demanding Botox injections, Sarah refused. She explained the risk to developing facial muscles and suggested waiting until her mid-20s. The clinic manager was furious. Sarah had just turned down a $2,000 procedure. She was written up for not meeting quotas, lost her bonuses, and eventually got fired. For 6 months, Sarah struggled financially while opening her own small practice. Then something unexpected happened. Word spread on social media about the honest doctor who put patient safety first. Her appointment book filled completely with clients specifically seeking ethical treatment. Today, her practice has a 6-month waiting list. Sometimes doing what's right costs everything, but integrity always pays back with interest.